you this new Tissot prs516. This is the old one, so cool one. I love the color of the dial black and the red touch. And now it's a new one. It's a new one particular. I don't have the bezel, but it's the idea of the first owner, and I like this red touch with the red pusher. The design is very cool, very actual, and this one is a little smaller, but the case is similar. Look, the strap is 22mm here, 20mm here. There is the same details on the case back. I show you now. Okay, look the case back of this one with the Tissot prs516 Sapphire crystal. Many years on this one, but always cool. And this one's a new one, very cool too. And look, similar. The difference is for the water resist 100 meters, 50 meters. For me, Tissot is perfect with Martini strap because this chronograph inspired me the racing automotive, and with Porsche and Martini look perfect. See me in comment. Bye.